Are you hearing crickets when you're prospecting online? How would you like to create irresistible curiosity so your prospects reach out to you? Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract their ideal prospects to them. They don't have to chase or beg their friends and family to join them and create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I create a video every single week helping you with your business. And if you haven't yet, I have a free Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. You can sign up right here. Somewhere around this video there's going to be a button and it's also going to be in the description of this video. So let's dive in. You're probably thinking to yourself, how do I stop chasing people? How do I get people to actually ask me about my business or opportunity? And how do I create content that is turning into customers and distributors so I'm not spinning my wheels in my business? Most things that are being taught now to use online are simply not working because as soon as you bring up the business, your prospects will shut down and you will never hear from them again. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create that content, that irresistible content to have people so curious that they are going to raise their hand and ask you about your business, about your products. How does that sound? So all out of touch advice is telling you more how to repel people than to attract them. And in this reverse invite method, we're going to show you exactly how to be more effective and how to have people reaching out to you every single day. Number one, it starts with creating curiosity. So you literally have people inviting themselves to take a look at what you have. And how do we create curiosity? We're going to do that on social media. In the beginning, if you've been doing this just for a short period of time, I suggest doing it organically. And even if you have been in network marketing for quite some time, but you're not so good at social media yet, I still suggest to stay and build your business organically until you get a hack of it, because it's going to help you a lot more when you transition into more leverage tactics like paid advertising. Then you will already have skills that are needed to then convert those people or actually just enroll them in your team and for them to become customers on autopilot, so you don't even have to talk to them or only talk to really the most qualified prospects for your business. So now you got to decide on what are you going to post on social media. What is your main media for posting on social media? Do you like doing short videos? Do you like doing long videos? Do you like going live? Or do you like to write and use posts with pictures? So you got to decide, and based on that you can also see what platform would probably be best for you to start your business. Here in Attraction Marketing we advise starting with Facebook, but that's not always the case. We have students that have started with TikTok and they blew it up over there. So just decide on what platform you're going to use and what is going to be the media. And we're going to be creating curiosity. So how do we create curiosity? You got to ask yourself, and you really got to brainstorm on what your ideal prospects, what kind of problems and struggles do they have? What are their dreams and aspirations? Brain dump this, use a piece of paper and just write it all down. And then you will have ideas for what your content is going to be, because in your content you're actually going to be solving these problems for them. So you're going to dive deeper into the problem, what they have, but we say agitate it a little bit, because you want to project to them what does the future look like if they don't take action on that problem. If they don't do something about it now, it's probably going to progress. And what you're trying to do is you're actually installing fear, because people move into action because of fear and not so much because of the pain. So the way you do it is to project it, what happens if they don't take action at all. And then you're going to instruct them to take action, to ask you for more information. So it's simple as that. You can use a video, post, written post with picture, anything like that, and just you're talking about their problems, you're offering them solution without actually naming what that is. They have to reach out to you to find out what it is and instruct them in your call to action to reach out to you. That is how you're going to have people practically inviting themselves because they're the ones that are going to be posting more information, I'm interested, and things like that. So lots of marketers are asking me, do I share my product? The answer is no. You want to create curiosity, because the last thing you want is to share your product and now people are like, oh, that's what I need, and they're going to go to the University of Google, find out where they can buy it, and they're just going to buy it themselves, and you will never know that they did. Or maybe they will see a review and they say, oh my god, it's a scam, it's this and that, and they will never actually buy, even though they were interested. People don't care about your product, they care about you. They still don't have enough information, so you don't want to share that on your profile. It doesn't necessarily have to be about your product at first. Your goal here is for them to say and give you their first yes. So for example, when I was promoting weight loss programs, I had this smoothie drink that you would wake up with a flat tummy in the morning, and it was so simple, and you do it for 7 days. You drink this before you go to bed, or the last thing that you eat that day. So it was pretty cool, and I was demonstrating it and I was showing people, and then I would instruct them to ask me for more information. And I had tons and tons of comments. So just imagine, so that is your first yes. Once you are in conversations, once you're connected with these people, they can actually you can then actually have conversations about anything else that you sell. You can dive deeper into their problems once you have them there, and they will trust you because you're offering them something for free. They said yes, and it's more likely they will say yes to the solution you have for them. Talk to them about what they need. Share your true story. Be authentic, and things will turn around in your business. And this reverse invite method is called attraction marketing, and that's what I've been doing, and it completely transformed my business for the last couple of years. And now I only get people that are reaching out to me, which saved me from a lot of rejection and lots of wasted time, frankly. So if you'd like to learn more how attraction marketing works and how it can work for you, then sign up for my free Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. Somewhere around this video there's going to be a link, so you can go and check that out. My question for you today is, name one product or pain that your product can solve. Drop that in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on the next video.